Hey, I'm whipping. Man, you know I got the trap back, flipping, tripping, sipping on something real different, piffing. How I making really bad decisions, tipping, leaning, feeling like water. Man, I finna put another order, make it come across the border. And I save all my money, shit piling up, bank calling me a hoarder. I buy a hole, then I chop it down to quarters. If you want less than that, you gotta talk to my workers. I'm from the law, no rules, frat house like old school. Blacked out, nigga, no hue. I'm eating rappers like they soul food. I'm Shang Tsung swimming in my soul pool. Damn it, I'm so cool, but I ain't iced up. I don't wear chains cause they make too much noise. And you know a nigga creeping like John Wilkes Booth. Headshots, no, you can't fuck with your boy when a nigga hit the booth. Okay, I'm back on this money and weed. Shorty say fuck it, so I did. Then I smoke so I can't forget. But then I told her, don't you forget, you're part of the formula, baby. Yeah, pussy, money, weed like Wayne said it. And I got that fire and you can't get it. But I come to the scene and I flame set it. I tell your girl to suck my dick and stop playing with it. I told these little niggas better stop playing with me. Hoes on the nigga like I just got shot. Drive by, I don't even gotta stop. Maybe cause it's lying in my jeans, but these nuts. I'm rolling up weed, counting money while I park, making moves while it's dark. With the iron, who's the man behind the mask? Looking fly, Tony Stark, pushing bags in my car. Meet me at Wally's, aisle number 6 by the cups. Leaving with more money than I had from the jump. The hustle challenge. Shit better go viral. All them niggas doing the loud challenge to the hustle challenge, nigga. Make some money. Yo, Fuse, slow this shit down real quick, though. Talk to him. Look, I swear I'm from a different planet. Land on Earth, but didn't plan it. 2 bitches about to make a sandwich. Especially once I show the camera. Getting brain damage. My mind made up, I'm about this paper. Deal with me now or later. Don't hate you niggas, love the haters. Gon' see my name everywhere, except on the affidavit. I don't talk to the cops. I get a hard time talking to my pops. My bars are too real. They tell me to stop. Ain't no bass in this bitch. I say what I want, speak how I feel. The KDs are gummy, my laces are teal. Fresh out the Gucci store. Are you fucking for real? Couple hundred on socks. That's how you stay broke with a deal. All that don't know appeal. All that rap got no skills. All that noise should be killed. Keep a Nina on deck. My Vecina on set. When you see a car pull up, you call the connect. Go outside and collect. Come back on my shit. She don't need no instruction. My shorties are hip. Did you roll that yet? Roll that. Look, hustle hard, man, I'm here all night. I'm high park, thinking how the fuck I missed my flight. I could've been in LA, rubbing on some action cities, but I guess the trap wanted me to stay and count hundreds. 50 blocks stretch, my team of flex on anybody. Double up is my army, I'm starting to feel like Gotti, it's me. I got Tupac running through my body. Nas bumping in my tweeters, I'm in that state of mind. Ducking Jakes and my pops, knowing the disappointment in them would kill me alone, only if I got caught. Speaking of catching, my line shaking. Gotta catch this next one. You talking verses? Well, I got the best ones. Better go and check them. And did I mention I'm charging extra? These lines are poodle. I'm dropping gems. I like these rappers. Man, the lines are coolo. Back to this paper, waiting on my neighbors. They just moved away, but come back to see me, cause I got them flavors. Hold up, nigga. I gotta fucking guys. Give me a second, man. Hello? Come round the corner. I'm in the white accord. I'm in the white accord.
Just flip the pack like the bird, that's my word. Take some 95, bumping inside my accord. Dreams of seeing my face all up in the sauce.
That shit mad German. Come from a different club. Oh, this Versace, it's not what you wearing, it's how you wear it. But this Versace, ain't it apparent? You niggas parrots, I'm an ego. You just staring, well, look at my ego. I make it look too easy. LeBron at the free throw, it's a freebie. Niggas bunch of squares making noise, that's the TV. Switch the channel, I switch my ammo. Leave you in white vans, say goodbye to Daniel.
Just flip the pack